Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So today's video is going to be a very raw and realistic house tour. As you can see, there's boxes and just the house is in shambles, to put it nicely. We tried to beat the movies here, but it did not happen that way. So I didn't get a chance to do a empty house tour. So this is just how it's gonna be. It's gonna be very realistic and just kind of show you guys the whole process of moving and getting things situated. So I feel like this is a better way of showing you guys our journey and the whole process of moving. So I'm gonna take you guys throughout the whole house. Ignore the mess. I promise you things will be looking different very soon. But there is also something special that I do want to share with you guys, and I'll share that with you here in just a bit. But I'm gonna start out on the front porch and just take you through the whole house. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, let's go inside. So this is the little entryway, and that is just like, I believe they call it like a formal dining or just the front living room. Yeah, so we have stuff everywhere right now, like I said. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with the bench yet. I'm really disappointed that this space right here is not gonna be long enough. But I do really like that space right here. I'm excited to see what I can do with it. And yeah, this is actually a really good sized room. We're thinking we might have this as a little playroom as long as we can keep it clean and picked up. But yeah. And then over on this side of the doorway is gonna be the office. Obviously, Chris has had homework, so this was literally one of the first things that he put together. But yeah, so this will be his office space. I will also have my desk and desk space in here as well. The rooms are a bit smaller than I expected, but we will just make it work. And then down this way is just the rest of the house. This right here is just a front closet. It is the weirdest space. Like, it's just so awkward and weird. Yeah, so that's pretty much all that's gonna be in here. We'll probably just keep our winter jackets in here. Some of the stuff can go in our closet. And then off to this side here is actually the master bedroom. Let me turn the light on. And it's a good sized room. I'm pretty impressed with it actually. But yeah, for the most part, this is probably where the furniture is going to go. At least for now. And I do really like that there is a window space. We actually have never had something like this, so I'm pretty excited about that. And then just from this angle here, I do really like this room setup. It's nice and roomy. I am not a fan of the two doors into the bathroom. Yeah, so not a fan of the two doors, but it works. The shower is a little on the small side, but you know, that's all right. I can't really complain too much. I do really like the garden tub. It's nice and big. And I like the double sinks. And you know, I've actually never seen them at two different levels, but I think that's actually really cool. There's a lot of cabinet space. And then the master closet is a really good size. Not really sure like that space, like I'm gonna need a ladder to reach all the way up there. So I have not quite decided what is gonna go up there. But yeah, there's a lot of space. And then I do really like the shelves on this side. And then this right here is kind of cool for some smaller items. My jewelry can go in there, so I like that. Lots of space in here, so I really like it. And then this is just looking at the bathroom. All right, so I wanted to take a really quick break and share this with you guys. Obviously, I had to make my bed for this because it needed to be made anyways. But I was reached out to by Mapiful, and I was actually already really familiar with their website. I've been wanting to order from them for the longest time. So I was really excited about this, and it was pretty easy because I kind of already knew what I wanted. But they have a couple of different options as far as map styles. They have different frame options that are all so beautiful, so unique, and I love them all. Just a little backstory about the location that we picked out. We actually got married in a winery in Temecula. It was so beautiful and so much fun. I literally want to relive that day all the time. But also a really cool thing is where we bought our first home was actually pretty close to Temecula, so it's actually on the same map. And even though it is in a different city, both Chris and I know that it's there. So we both will be treasuring this map for a really long time. I will probably always have it up and displayed. I cannot wait to show you what I end up doing with this space around it and in our bedroom. It's going to be so much fun and so beautiful. But I had to share this with you guys. I had so much fun deciding on which map I wanted, even though I pretty much already knew which one I was going with. And Chris really liked the wood frame. We knew it would go pretty well in our bedroom. So it was just so much fun, you guys. They also offer free worldwide shipping, which you don't see very often, and shipping prices can get pricey. So if you are looking for a beautiful and special gift for someone, definitely check out Mapiful. I will have their website linked down below for you guys, and that way it's really easy to kind of look at all of their map designs and check them out. But stay tuned because I cannot wait to show you the space that we end up doing in our bedroom. It is going to be so much fun designing it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that small little break. I absolutely loved sharing this little special piece with you guys. But let's go ahead and get right back into my real and messy house tour. Okay, so then looking down this way is going to be the kitchen, the family room where the TV is, and the dining room. It's a good sized kitchen. Lots of cabinet space. I really like the space above the cabinets. That is definitely something that I've wanted to kind of decorate or, you know, make look nice, but not crowded. Yeah, ignore the boxes. But it is a good sized kitchen, lots of counter space. I like it. And then I do like the pantry. It's nice and big. Obviously, we've started unpacking some things because it's necessary with 2 kids. But I do like the size of the pantry. And then this space over here is going to be the kitchen table, obviously. And our bar stools are not going to work for this counter height, because our stools are for the bar stool height. So we're gonna have to get rid of those and switch them out. There is a fireplace and a mantle, which I am so ecstatic about because I've really missed having a mantle. I really like it. Plus, we'll actually get some use out of the fireplace. And then this is gonna be the backyard. And you guys, I'm warning you, it's kind of a mess. It would obviously be organized a lot more next time you see it. But it's a good sized yard. And then there's also this space over here. Just a little side yard, which is kind of cool. Lots of space for the kids. Good entertaining space. Okay. And then, yeah, so it's nice and roomy. We have some major downsizing to do though. There's just too much stuff. Okay, so this is the rest of the house this way. It does turn into carpet, and it's like that nice little, I can't remember what they call it, but it's just flat carpet. This is obviously the laundry room. We don't have our washer and dryer yet, but it's actually a good size. Goes into over here, so we're not going to be super squished, but I like it. And then this first room is going to be Colton's room. It's a good size room. Not as roomy as his other one at the other house, but it's not like he stays in here all the time and plays. He'll have some playing room, some space to play with. Sorry for the beeping. And then his closet. Interesting space right there. I just laugh every time I see it. Like, what is going to be hanging right there? I don't get it. I mean, I get they needed a pole right there, but they could have probably just done without it. It's weird. But it is actually a decent sized space for some storage. Obviously not as big as his other one. That's okay. And then the second bathroom. Just your normal bathroom. It's nice that there's a second tub. And the hallway is good size. The linen closet kind of worries me. The other one was a lot bigger. And there was just, we need to downsize our blankets because we have a ton of blankets. And this is going to be Logan's room. I think this room feels a little smaller than the other one, but the closet is much bigger. I mean, obviously a rocking chair fits in there. Well, kinda, but a lot more space for hanging things. Not that the boys have a lot of stuff that hang, but you never know. So yeah, that is the whole house. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this very raw and realistic house tour with boxes and things everywhere. It wasn't my ideal type of tour that I wanted to share with you guys, but I'm glad I did it this way because it's real. I mean, this is the whole moving process, and this is how things go sometimes. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss anything new. I promise you, my next video, things are gonna start looking a whole lot different. So you're not gonna wanna miss it, and I can't wait to start sharing a lot more with you guys again. So I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.